Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use simple invoice software. First, select a program that offers intuitive navigation and essential features for your business. Next, input your company's name, address, and tax identification number into the settings. You can then personalize your invoice templates with your logo and preferred color scheme. Finally, add your client details, including their contact information and payment terms, to streamline future invoicing processes. Now, let's create an invoice. Begin by selecting the client from your saved list and adding the services or products provided. Clearly describe each item, including its quantity and the agreed-upon unit price. Double-check all calculations and client information to ensure accuracy before proceeding. Most software allows you to send the invoice directly to your client's email with just one click, or you can download it as a PDF. Efficient payment management is crucial for any business. As soon as a client pays, update the invoice status to paid within the software. This helps you keep a clear record of your finances and easily identify outstanding payments. Utilize the reporting features to gain insights into your sales performance and payment patterns. Many programs also offer automated reminders, which can be sent to clients for invoices that are approaching or past their due date. To further enhance your invoicing process, consider integrating your software with other accounting platforms for seamless financial management. For clients with consistent services, set up recurring invoices to save valuable time each billing cycle. Always ensure your data is backed up, either automatically or manually, to protect your records. Many modern solutions also offer convenient mobile applications, allowing you to manage invoices from anywhere, anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.